Hello there, YouTube, my guys, niaje. Yo. So today, there's a problem here, man. Okay, there's this video, man. I shot for. No, I did not shoot it. Yeah, somebody shot it. I was given to edit. My friend. It had many mistakes, though. As you can see, it's bad. So I want us to see how I came along from this, what you see there, what is it, to this. Boom. It may not look nice, but there's somewhere. So I want us to see how I got there, man. So let me mute that. No. Let me mute. Everything here. Let me mute. Sorry for that. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, man. No, one more. Okay. Hakuna kelele sasa, tuende kazi. So yeah. So you can see this video has a lot of mistakes from the fact that it was shot no rules of videography here and stuff like that, but we have to make it at least look somehow good. First thing I did, move to color. We're moving to color. It's taking time. Oh shit. Yeah. I love doing that. Okay, now in color tab. And oh, you saw that, man? No, you don't have to see that. Okay, in my basic correction, let me turn this one first. Then I switch this off. I'm using a laptop, so shit, it can be noisy. So the first thing I did, some basic correction. I used an adjustment layer because it is not a serious project. So I did some basic correction here and there until there was somewhere. Nothing fancy there, and no creative tab. Let me tell you something. No basic correction. Yeah, you can see what I did. That's okay. So in our creative tab, I desaturated this video. I felt like the colors were too much. I don't love saturation so much, you know that. And I desaturated a bit. Then, before I came into the curves, I would just go first into the skin tones, and this is what I did. I selected my skin tones and corrected them, and yeah, you can see that in the curve here we did some tweaking with tint. Also it had some pinkish, and I had to correct the pink colors from the video, and it had some greenish. I'm sorry. Yeah, I corrected here. You can see that. I corrected my skin tones. They were okay. Yeah. If you don't know how to do this, I did a last video, and it is down in my description how I do my color grading, how I do it. I only have one way of doing it, by the way. This is how I do it now. I'm telling you how I did this. So after the HSL secondary, I always come to the curves section, and here's where I do much. Is where I give my video tail look. This didn't need much tail because it was an outdoor shot, and I just gave it some tail, not much, and remove some from the highlights. Yeah, I did that, man. I did that. So I saturated the blues, I saturated the greens a bit. I said that I don't like saturation, but I did it. Yeah, I saturated a bit, and I played with some hue, basic hue for the greens and the yellows. You see there, you see the change? Yeah, that's bad, that's good. Yeah, I did that a bit, and the saturation, not fancy, not something fancy. I didn't like to go something like, I don't like that. Something just cool. Okay. After my curves, I didn't use the color wheels. I don't use that. I don't use that, man. Finally, I do vignette 2. That was it. Did you see that? Should I play the video? Now it is in my video. You should check out the video on the owner's channel. So first I color graded this video, though it is not perfect, but at least it is something. The footage was trash. Did the owner hear me say that? Trash. I'm sorry for that, but those who shot this video, this is trash, but we can make trash look good by the color grading. Yeah, it was an advertisement anyway, so you can see from that to that, not so good, but at least thank you for watching this video, and if you need more videos on production, consider subscribing, but if you don't, it's okay. Bye.
Oyo maite go sevu ne bwate bitoki Gogo chiesa monero na bego go soki Yegendi ngoraje tonye minyoki Egere dumwe konya go kige Bege reflecta moneri mechi Okay yerio gia sere di Ogwate machiko yo borundia Kerore para tego tumia Yogo sibe ke chenga pungusa koran Yota bwate visero birige koran Choti rinke yetari abantu bapote Kene ngote bato baisa kobota Sigango to sike chipigi pigi Na boiga barundia chipigi pigi Avanta baronke to sige kwe Na inwe boigo musige Tosike avanto be chipigi pigi